I have a hack for you. Guys, I'm going to show you something that is going to take your sales funnel to the next level. So I was on the phone last night with a good friend of mine and I was helping her build out her opt-in page to her sales funnel. And she actually introduced me to an amazing tool that everybody can use to build out your sales funnel. And guys, the great news is it is free. Here is how you're going to find it. You are going to go to Google and you are going to search Chrome Web Store. Once you get to the Chrome Web Store, I want you to type in color picker tool. Now there are multiple color picker tools, but this is the one that I went with. I added this Chrome extension to my toolbar and I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. So here's my opt-in page and here is my background image. And I wanted to choose this color because I want everything to be congruent as someone goes through my sales funnel. So I wanted my button to match the color of this flower. You're going to come up here to this Chrome extension. You're going to click on it. You're going to click on where it says pick color from web. You're going to come over here and hover over the flower and you can kind of place it anywhere you want. And then choose, you're going to click, you're going to choose the color and then it's going to populate over here on the right hand corner. After it populates, you're going to click on the extension and it's going to display your hex code. So now I'm going to highlight this and I'm going to copy it. What I want to do is I want to click on this button. I want to highlight it orange. I want to go to the settings and it's going to open my window here to the left. And I want to scroll down. I'm going to click here at the background color and I'm going to come over here and I'm going to paste that hex number there. And as you can see, my button color now matches my background image. It's congruent. You can also take that a step further. So if you want to highlight or change the color of any of these words, so I'm going to take the word today. I'm going to click on it to where it's highlighted orange. I'm going to click on the word, come up to this box, and I'm going to paste that hex number there. And voila, guys, isn't that amazing? So smash that heart button, save this video and share it. Make sure you're following me. If you are ready to start building a business online so you can get out of your 9-to-5, make sure you go over to my Stand store and check out Learn and Earn Profits because that is how I've learned everything that I needed to know to build a business online and you can too.